Hi, Bujajoy. Hi, anak. What are you? Huh? Can I borrow this? Your bumblebee? Let me see your costume,
Sleepy
anak.
bumblebee.
Oh, my baby's a bumblebee. Mimi,
Yeah.
show them his pail. Where's Mateo's pail? There's Mateo's pail.
You hold your pail.
Hold your pail, anak. Okay, here. Okay, here na. Okay, sorry. Okay, Mateo's holding his pail. See? Hey, Mateo. We have a sleepy bumblebee here.
There.
Oh, Papa's picture mo. And Mimi, let me see. Mimi, show them. Who are you? Nobody? Kayla, come here. I wanna see your costume.
Oh, dito kayo dalawa, dali. Sama kayo.
Who are you? The whole costume. Let me see. Hey, who are you? Excuse me, young man, who are you? Huh? You're scaring me.
Watching.
Kayla, who are you?
Where's your bag? Where's my hat?
Mimi, ikaw sino ka?
Nobody.
Sit like a lady.
Pumpkin.
Ikaw.
Cold outside.
Ikaw. Yeah, it's cold outside.
You want a jacket, Kayla?
Hi guys. Hi Bumblebee. Oh, we have a sleepy bumblebee here.
Mimi. Go with them.